you're a bride-to-be and can't decide between real or faux flowers for your wedding, let me put you on something. Just got a package in from Ling's Moment, and we're gonna do an unboxing because these faux flowers are unreal.
Ling's Moment has the most gorgeous artificial flowers in so many color combos. I grabbed the large arbor florals in blush and cream, and I cannot get over how unreal the detail and quality is. It also came with 3 drape panels to affix on your arbor, and I cannot wait to use this at my ceremony.
Okay, I'm so excited to use these for my wedding. Here's my inspo pic, and I think it's just gonna turn out amazing. If you're interested in these, definitely check out Ling's Moment, and I'm definitely gonna be sharing more of these on my page because they're too good not to.